Hello, so this is a tutorial on how to make icons disappear into your desktop, but you want to get them, and you've always wanted it to happen. So you're like, I make a lot of music, and it's the music here. I want to get to this folder a lot, but I don't like having a lot of shit on the desktop. So here's my folder logic. You're gonna make an alias. No, you're not. Like that. Undo. Right, just bin it. You're gonna go. So I want to hide it here, and you want to do with this. You want to make Shift Command 4, and you want to copy an icon size, and then you hold down as a space, and then you move it over. So I've taken the size of the icon, and I'm moving it over to where I want to put it, like this. And then let go of space. Oh, what was that? 88. Let's do 90 by 90. That's fine. And you let go. It makes a PNG of the desktop there. And then you go back here and you go make alias. There's me. Oh no, you don't. I did it again. Delete that. You go Apple I, Command I. They changed it to Command. It used to be an Apple, whatever. And then you double click on that. You get preview. Don't need you. You select Apple A, Command C, Apple C, copy that over. You click on that, it's the original, and you paste it in there. And you see it's changed on the icon. It's not changed here, but it's changed. You close it up, close. Open it again, whatever. Music. Oh, look, it's changed. So now you say, make alias. And there's your logic alias. And I've put the alias on the desktop, and then I'm going to name it O, and I'm going to put it here. It's a little bit see-through. It's not as good as it was before. Why is it not so good? Did I make it too big? Oh, that's good. It's good. So it doesn't blend in completely right, but it's pretty good. It's about as good as you need it to be honest. So it's hidden there. If you just look away, look over here, look at this river. Yeah, you can't really see this icon, but it's there. So now you can get rid of that, and then you can just double click. And that's your icon. I've got my hard drive, my time machine, and this icon is hidden straight in there. The projects. You like that? I do. These are examples of old desktops where I did the same. Where I took a little section of the old desktop and made an icon and hid it. In fact, here, track titles, track cities. This was another tutorial. So I'll do a little cleanup. It's completely. Let's put it back. Is that right? Looks pretty good. Maybe it needs to be 88. Let's see. Shift Apple 4. This video is going on, and I know that YouTube people like to talk about how long their videos are when they're making them. It's weird. 82. Is it a rectangle? That's weird. 84 by 86. I did the wrong one. Whatever. You get the idea. Take more care over it. No, let's do it. Open you up. Copy the exact size. I want the exact size. This one looks bigger than that one. Maybe it's this one. Let's copy this one. So Shift Apple 4. A lot of time in my hands. Hold down the space bar. Snapperoo. Got you. Open up. Copy. Close you. Go back into Logic. No, Music. Hit L, find Logic. Without deleting your whole folder in the meantime. It's alright, time machine's backing up. Paste. Unrecognizable change. Make alias. It's probably going to be the same. Logic alias, desktop. Close you up. Oh, that looks good. Let's call it. I wanted to call it dot, but it won't let you. So I'll call it O. Little O. Unpredictable. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, that's it.